Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders. We are at our job site today, Coffee and Construction in Willo Historic Neighborhood, episode 2. We started Demolition today and I am so excited to show you their progress. You guys, this is going to be quite the fantastic journey. I'm so just excited to share with you. Let's see what all they did today. Here we are in the living room space. You can see that they started pulling up the flooring. Oh, we had these parquet wood floors in here and they have started pulling those up off the floor. Oh my goodness. And then we've got all the flooring up off our dining room space. That is just perfect. We've got some doors off here in the kitchen. We've got some things coming out here. Oh, we have some giant orange X's on things. Not sure what's going on there, but as you can see, they've made some progress. Got some flooring, got some things moved around. Oh, it looks so good, friends. We'll walk here into this other side of the house and see what all we can see. These are all gonna come out. Oh, we've gotten all the hardware off all the doors so that our homeowner can repair them and make sure that they look pretty, and then we'll put them back on. You can see they started in here. We've got some newspapers. Well, I'm gonna have to check those newspapers to see what date we've got on those. Being a historic home, I can only imagine when this addition was added onto the house. But oh my goodness, friends, isn't it looking so good? Okay, I pulled out one of these newspapers, and friends, I was kind of surprised. This isn't as long ago as I thought it would be, but it's the funny section. Look, they've got the funnies in there, and it's from July of 2001. So not too far behind us. You know, we're looking at what, 23 years? That's pretty cool. Okay, friends, here we are headed into the master bedroom side of the house. Look, they took out that big cabinet that was in there. You can see all the plumbing for that master shower behind that wall. Oh my goodness. And then you can see the plaster on the lath as they constructed the interior walls of this home from plaster and lath. Isn't that cool, friends? Into the master bedroom. We didn't have a lot of demo going on here, but look, that closet came out. That'll be nice so we can refinish those floors to coordinate with the rest of the room and then put some closet doors in there. Looks like there was something in the wall in there, doesn't there? Very good. Oh, and these cabinets came out. That's nice. Oh, look at these floors in here. They're gorgeous. We are going to be able to refinish these hardwood floors and they will be just beautiful. Oh, friends, the perspective of this view that's going to change is just incredible. So we are going to put a doorway in where it looks like an HVAC duct was previously, and then move the water closet and stuff. But look, this is so cool. All right, all nice and opened up. Oh, here's our scary shower. These guys did a great job of cleaning up after themselves today, friends. Oh my goodness sakes. They got this vanity out. Oh, I wonder where that pink sink ended up. They got that medicine cabinet out. Look at the brick wall behind it. Isn't that interesting, friends? So mud set tile and then a brick wall behind it. That's just amazing. I think we're going to stop in this pink bathroom so we get a little bit of an interesting view as to how it's going to transition in the future. It's so exciting. I really am enjoying the opportunity to share a historic home with you. We spend a lot of time in historic homes here in Phoenix as Homework Remodels, and we really get a lot out of it. We enjoy helping homeowners transition their spaces and take care of their homes. They really are caretakers of these historic homes as they rejuvenate and revitalize them and bring them current for plumbing and electrical and all the things that go along with that. But they're gorgeous spaces. They have so much character to them. So I'm excited to share this journey with you, friends. For Coffee and Construction in Willo Historic Neighborhood, episode 2, take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.